Good morning, everyone. Myself, Charu Kaushik, as a assistant professor in biotechnology department. Today, we will discuss about the biological database, and in a practical session, we will retrieve the information about the gene and a protein. So, let's start with share a slide with you. Now, this is the basic information about the biological database. What what do you mean about the database? There is a some collection of biological data, just like molecules, proteins, DNA, and emerged as a response to the huge data generated by the DNA sequencing. And there are so many number of databases are there, just like the GenBank and and Swissprot, DDBJ, DNA database of Japan, and there are some main objectives of biological databases, such as recognize the various data formats and know what their primary uses, know, understand, and utilize all type of sequence identifiers, and know and understand various features type present in the GenBank as a flat files, and know and understand the various GenBank divisions. Just like due to the huge amount of data, the GenBank divide their data as a class of rodent, mammals, plant, and how this data have been collected as a biology has increasingly turned into a data-rich science. The need for storing and communicating large data sets has grown tremendously. So, the nucleotide sequence, protein sequence, and 3D structures of data produced by just like X-ray crystallography and macromolecules. With the help of bioinformatics, we can store these data, which are practically extracted from the experiment. Then it will store in different type of databases. So just like a GenBank, it is a primary database of nucleotide, and there are secondary sequence database are also there. You can see in an image there are different number of sequences are there, which is extracted from after the experiment. So let's start a practical session. Now we will open a NCBI homepage. NCBI is a National Institute of Biotechnology Information. By which we can retrieve the different kind of information, just like the gene as well as protein. This is the home page of NCBI, and this is the search button where we can type the name just like a protein or a gene. HSPE1. This is a gene name. We can search it. There are so many resources and databases and tools are there. So we will go to a particular field, just like to protein, or we can go to the nucleotide. Just we click it on nucleotide. Now this is the list where this gene is present. There is a different organism in this list. It is an orthology gene list where the gene is same and the species are different. We can select any one of gene of our interest. just like mus musculus. This is the format of GenBank. NCBI support the GenBank for nucleotide information, and this is the HSPE1 gene information of mus musculus. This is called a flat file format. GenBank store their data in flat file format. In this flat file format, we can got different kind of information, just like there are 788 number of base pairs in the sequence, and it is mRNA, linear shape of sequence, and class ROD, rodent, mouse class. There is a definition about the mus musculus heat shock protein HSPE1, and there is a accession number which is unique in a database entry. There is a organism information, full classification about the organism, and there is the reference about the research paper now. This is the location, a specific feature of this flat file format. This gene exists on chromosome number 1. This is the location of this gene in mus musculus. And after that, we can see there is the origin, and some number of bases are there, ATGC, and this is the terminator of the file. But for retrieving the sequence, we can download it in FASTA format. So we will click on FASTA. Now we can copy paste the sequence. This is in FASTA format, and this is the nucleotide sequence. Here we can copy and paste the sequence for further uses. From same protocol, we can get the protein information. This is the list of the gene which code the protein. We can select just like Homo sapiens. This is the flat file format about the protein information. And you can see here is a GenBank. It is a division of GenBank which contain the protein information. But the format is same about the protein information. And we can select the FASTA to retrieve the sequence in FASTA format. So there is a protein sequence we have, and this is the nucleotide sequence. You can see the difference between them. This is made up from ATGC, 4 nucleotide bases which form a nucleotide sequence. And this is a amino acid base which form a protein sequence. And there is a clear difference between the protein sequence and in a nucleotide sequence. So there are different databases are there which have information about nucleotide as well as the proteins. I think you have learned about something about the nucleotide as well as the protein sequence. Thank you.